In this session, we are going to talk about the value of a project binder. So when you open a project, so you have generated a site plan for this one. We've done it in the previous sessions. So you have a site plan, you have the details of the site plan, you have information about, who owns it, various details of zoning and all that stuff is there. Now, we are developing a project. It might be a design for landscaping. It might be building a new ADU, new housing. It's a project. It's a construction project. It starts with a design and architecture. It might end up with a construction. So we want to put all the related information that we collect or we might already have into a project binder. As the name sounds, it's simply that. It's a binder of all the information that you would want to have associated with this project in this address. Now, this could be anything from documents that you generate, perhaps some notes with the client, or you collected some catalogs and showed the client some ideas, some mood boards. It might be various documents from the city that is required to do the work, but it's all the related information that you can put in here. Now, why would you want to put it in here? One is that it enables you to have everything in one place. That's one thing. You don't have to look into this drive and that drive and the other email to find it. It's all in one place. The second part of it is that as you bring in documents in, InQuest, you see it down here, becomes aware of it, understands it. This is the AI component of InQI. It can understand those documents and then try to help you with the project. But let's go and figure out the import part first. So you can create folders and subfolders and then do uploads into the documents. Or if you already have documents and folders in certain drive, you can just import it with uploading a folder. So I'm going to do upload a folder at this point. This was a project that we work with, so I have some documents in here that I want to bring in. So these are the documents that I want to bring in, right? So I'm going to go into this and bring this document, and I have to bring those files too. So I'm bringing a document first. So click on upload. It's going to say, are you sure? I'm going to say yes, upload it, and it's going to import in the documents. You see there's a counter. Depending on the size of the documents, it might take longer, it might take shorter, but there's a handful of things that you just have to be a little bit patient with to import into the system. Now, as this is finished importing in, I'm going to, this just got in. I'm going to import the other ones, and we're going to talk about what we have done so far, right? So now let's go through here. I'm also going to bring this design folder. So this is like, it could be that, I click OK, and this could be that I've generated a layout and design in AutoCAD, in Vectorworks, or any of those areas, and I want to bring them in, right? I want to bring this into the system. You have to look at this as a place where everything that you can find related to the project, or everything that you generated in the project, should be in this folder. Soon is also going to be like the drive letter, drive letter I, or whatever you want to call it, that you can just save into or pick up from. But this is coming in the near future, but let's make sure all the files are in the place before you can do that process. The same way you bring in documents is the same way you can also, folders, the same way that you can bring in documents, is a standard folder structure. So if I open this, you see that I can go up, you see all the folders and stuff that I have in there and so forth. I'm also going to bring some documents into here. So I'll go up to this level. So I have a handful of documents that I want to bring in, and basically I can highlight it. So, all of us in design and architecture, we might have our, general plan, the zoning, some forms, and all those things that are related. So once you bring it into a system, I'm going to open this and bring it in. Once you bring it into the system, what happens is that not only you have it in one location, but now the artificial intelligence is being customized. It's understanding what is there, and it can help you. Now, the next project you do in Saratoga is aware of these things, so it can also help you more. So it's learning continuously from you to be able to assist you in the future. As all the documents are imported in, the next step is to find out what do we have to work with. So basically now you have a place where all the related documents are coming together, zoning materials and everything else. Now this enables you to furthermore develop your site plan and your project, but also have InQuest help you out with the process. We'll have a session on InQuest on how it helps, but this is how you bring in all the documents in one place. So basically, if you go to your project, now if you go to your project folder, now you see that there are 21 documents. We haven't talked about bringing in images and pictures, but that's how you populate the project binder. Again, think of the project binder as a location where every piece of information for this project should be at. Whether it's a hand-taken notes, it's a documents from the city, it's a form, it's a plan that you generated. Maybe there are some manuals for vendors you collected. Everything is in one place because the artificial intelligence is learning from you and helping you in the future. The more information it has, the more it can help you with the process.